The Channel Army upgrade continues to acquaint you with the most promising types of weapons from different countries of the world. Today we will look at the tests of long-range anti-aircraft missile system S-500 when hypersonic missile was intercepted. That is, during the test, the S-500 Prometheus anti-aircraft system successfully intercepted a hypersonic target, which indicates that Russia has already created training targets that can move at hypersonic. It is said that it is not planned to test another Russian S-550 system in the nearest future, as prototype targets for firing have not been created yet, only their development is underway. The S-500 Prometheus, Triumphator M experimental design work, is a versatile long-range and high-altitude interceptor system with a focus on missile defense. The S-500 system is a combined system designed to neutralize complex threats, hypersonic and ballistic missiles, within 600 kilometers. It can also effectively fight flying radars and refueling planes, without which the capabilities, stealth fighters and deck aviation are significantly reduced. It differs from its predecessors in the presence of specialized radars for searching and tracking different types of targets. Also, the reaction time of the new complex decreased down to 3 to 4 seconds. Reportedly, the new S-550 SAM is being developed as a version of S-500 and will only specialize in anti-missile and anti-space defense tasks. See all about the U.S. Navy Blue Angels aerobatic team at the end of the video at the link. Introduces the most interesting samples from the defense complex of different countries. Today we will look at the Russian light armored vehicle Strela. This vehicle has a mass of 4.7 tons, which is half the weight of the popular Tiger family of vehicles. Strela also has ballistic protection that can withstand shots from Alaska 74 assault rifles and SVD rifles. The maximum speed on the highway reaches 155 kilometers per hour. The Strela armored vehicle's anti-mine protection ensures the safety of the crew when mines under the wheels or explosive devices with a capacity of up to 2 kilograms of TNT are detonated, as opposed to 600 grams in the Tiger. To date, this is a new technical solution for the Russian army, as it has not previously had such light armored vehicles. The Strela is said to be made entirely of domestic components manufactured in Russia. This armored vehicle can be equipped with various weapons and special equipment. The light weight of the Strela ensures the possibility of its rapid redeployment to other destinations or its use as part of a tactical airborne assault vehicle on the external suspension of military transport and combat helicopters such as the Mi-8. Depending on the modification, this vehicle can accommodate up to 8 people, including the driver. The Army Upgrade Channel reminds that the Tiger armored vehicles, a family of multi-purpose vehicles of high cross-country capability, are the most widespread in the Russian Army. They are designed for transportation of people and various cargoes both on roads and in off-road conditions, and can also be equipped with various equipment. Tiger is capable of carrying from 6 to 10 people, including the driver, or up to 1.2 tons of cargo, depending on the modification. All about the secret technologies of the U.S. Air Force stealth bomber B-21 Raider. See at the end of the video at the link. Smart missiles capable of shooting down drones have been created for BMPT Terminator. The Army Upgrade Channel continues to introduce you to the most advanced weaponry from around the world. The Army Upgrade Channel continues to show you the most advanced weapons from various countries of the world. Nowadays, the creation of ammunition with remote detonation systems is a global trend in the development of small-caliber artillery and grenade launchers. Remote detonation significantly increases the effectiveness against small targets, tank hazardous manpower and unmanned aerial vehicles, including small-class drones. The development of the guided remote detonation system for the Terminator tank support fighting vehicle has been completed. The use of the system makes it possible to ensure high-precision aerial detonation of ammunition at a given point. This increases the efficiency of artillery systems. The adopted scheme does not require any gun modifications, which is a fundamental advantage over other possible ways of fuse programming. This complex has passed the stage of preliminary tests and has been submitted for state testing. The Terminator tank support fighting vehicle was accepted for service in 2018. It is armed with two 30mm 2A42 guns, 4 9M121 Ataka anti-tank missiles with a laser guidance system, 2 AGS-17 grenade launchers and a 7.62mm Kalashnikov tank machine gun. The U.S. decision to decommission the legendary A-10 Thunderbolt II attack aircraft is seen at the end of the video at the link. We hope that you like the channel, acquaints with the most interesting samples from the defense complex of different countries. Today, we will look at the 161st School of Technicians of the Russian Strategic Missile Forces. This school trains technicians in 8 specialties, including mechanic drivers of autonomous launchers for mobile ground-based missile systems. For practical driving lessons, the school has a 16 square kilometer driving range with 4 routes with various obstacles for practicing driving skills on multi-axle wheeled chassis. It is equipped with special elements for performing training exercises and modern 3D driving simulators for training mechanics drivers of multi-axle wheeled chassis MZKT, Topol M and Yars. All in all, up to 1,000 people can be trained at the school at the same time. Junior military specialists pass control tests on a special driving range, which include driving on limited passages, overcoming artificial and natural obstacles. Before passing the driving exam, servicemen pass control tests on the design and operation of units of the Yars mobile missile systems, as well as combat support vehicles. The entire training course for mechanic drivers of missile system support units is 3 months. It includes theoretical disciplines, simulator training and practical driving. When training on simulators, it is possible to practice skills of driving multi-axle chassis in various conditions. The visualization system makes it possible to simulate both normal and abnormal situations in real time. In the interests of the strategic missile forces, more than 10,000 people have been trained and graduated as warrant officers and sergeants mechanics, drivers of multi-axle chassis. Video about 5 secret military aircraft. The Army Upgrade channel continues to introduce you to the most promising weapons of various countries of the world. Today we will look at the firing of the Army Air Defense Missile System GKAS. The test firing takes place at the firing range. GKAS is a Russian short-range anti-aircraft missile system mounted on a Tiger M armored vehicle. It uses widely used missiles from the Verba or Igla portable anti-aircraft missile systems. They can hit air objects at a distance of up to 6 kilometers, moving at up to 400 meters per second. It is also possible to attack armored vehicles and manpower of the enemy. An optronic module on the basis of a portable radar station Harman is used for searching and issuing targeting instructions. We can say it is an all-weather eyes of the system. The automatics of the vehicle's head is capable of controlling 6 Tigers with missile launchers at once. On the Verba, due to the new homing head operating in 3 ranges, that is radar, optical and infrared, the possibility of engaging the little noticeable compact targets like cruise missiles and drones is enhanced. The new air defense system is simple and low cost. The whole complex consists of serial components. Despite its unusual name, the new system is a familiar Tiger armored vehicle, which is fitted with the GKAS maritime anti-aircraft system, which in turn uses missiles from the Igla or Verba man portable systems. During test launches, the ability to successfully fire at carrier speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour was confirmed. See all about the U.S. Navy Blue Angels aerobatic team at the end of the video at the link. See you on Army Upgrade.